Hey guys, this is Dr. Herb. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now we're looking at the pathophysiological classification, and this is of the polycythemia. So under this, the first one is relative. So under relative, there's a reduced plasma volume. Next, that is hemoconcentration. Next comes absolute. Under absolute, it includes there is primary. Primary means there is low erythropoietin, and it includes polycythemia vera, the inherited erythropoietin receptor mutations, and this becomes rare. Now in secondary, there is high erythropoietin, and the compensatory, it includes the lung diseases, the altitude, as well as the cyanotic heart diseases, and the paraneoplastic. Paraneoplastic, it involves the erythropoietin secreting tumors like the hepatocellular carcinomas. Next, the hemoglobin mutants with high O2, that is oxygen affinity, and inherited defects that stabilize the HIF1 alpha. Then the Chuvash polycythemia and the propyl hydroxylase mutations. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.